welcome back to my channel. On the today video we have VIOFO WM1 2K dashcam. Also from VIOFO SD card, optional accessory, wireless Bluetooth remote control for remote emergency recording. Also optional is VIOFO polarization lens filter for reducing glare from windshield, and also optional dashcam HK4 hardwire kit provides continuous dashcam recording for parking and other stuff. We have 12 or 24 volts, and this is scan to watch how to install. And back to the star of the show. On the front we have Quad HD or 140p Sony stereo sensor. I put here detailed information about this sensor. App controlled on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Parking mode for recording when car is off. Downloading apps. On the left side we have, on the back we have resolution, super night vision, built-in Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz, GPS logger, parking mode. And this is picture of installed dashcam. On the bottom we have on more languages, specs, resolution, Sony Taurus image sensor, support Wi-Fi connection to VIOFO app, built-in GPS, support advanced parking mode, support micro SD to 254 gigabytes. Inside, on the left, we have the dash cam in this styrofoam. Let's remove it and we will see on the back recording button, mic on off, Wi-Fi on off, and big emergency video. On the top we have mounting sticker to the windshield. This can be removed. On the top and put it back. On this side, right, micro SD slot, power port. On the bottom we have mesh for cooling and microphone and speaker output, reset button. On the front we have lens and logo here. Other stuff in the box is this plastic tool for installation cable, removing plastics from the car, another sticky pad for mounting camera, short USB A to C cable for powering and transfer recordings to the phone or computer. It's a little short one, but thick and good quality cable. Also here is cigarette lighter with around 3 to 4 meters of the cable. Output 5 volt, 1.5 ampere. Also in this box is user manual, is good print quality and in color, everything you need to set up, mount and prepare for the driving and recording. And also in the box we have two mask plastic to windshield and put this sticky mount on this for easy removing from the windshield. And that is all from this box. We have this remote button for recording. This is small user manual, how to access to Bluetooth pairing mode. You push for 3 seconds this button and flashing this LED on the camera. You push Wi-Fi and emergency video to enter a Bluetooth mode. Also, this polarization filter is for mounting on this lens. We can see white line on the lens, removing lens from protection. Also, we can see a little line and match this to the mounting on the lens. Also, we have a hardwire kit. Does it support always power to the camera, user manual, how to mount, record, mount this to the system in the car. Also, I will show you on my car, and this is it, simple. This put in the fuse box to battery plus, ground, and always on 12 volt. This have a little switch on 4 positions to cut off power when battery detects these voltages. On the other end we have USB type C, also thick and good quality cable. And I have my power bank for demonstration of booting camera. We can plug this and we will listen to the sound of start.
Please insert a memory card. Wi-Fi enabled.
And all command voices alerts about insert SD card, Wi-Fi power on, GPS problem, recording is off, and you hear beep alarm. And we now put SD card. It is VIOFO 64 gigabits. It's enough for recording. Print site on SD card on, put to the lens and a little push and you hear click and another powering up. And we click
Wi-Fi enabled.
disabled Wi-Fi.
Recording started.
And recorded started. Wi-Fi disabled
Recording started.
and Wi-Fi disabled, and turn off this. Also,
Voice recording disabled.
you can shut off microphone
Voice recording enabled.
and you can stop recording, and this beep alarm.
Recording started.
Also emergency,
Video protected.
and this smart wireless button. Also testing.
Video protected.
How to enter in booting Bluetooth mode. You can press these two buttons for 3 seconds
Bluetooth mode enabled.
and 3 seconds on this button for,
Bluetooth paired successful.
and that is all paired and ready for mounting to the car. Next segment we will install this. Before the installation I will turn on Wi-Fi
enabled.
and connect to the smartphone over Wi-Fi, and I will
Recording started.
record my screen to see in app settings. And here we are in the VIOFO dash cam. Connect your camera, searching for the camera, how to connect, and we will hear this Wi-Fi
connected.
and Wi-Fi connected. We can put back in this menu, and we have lifetime view, resolution, frames, microphone on, recording stop, or we have to stop recording for the video settings, resolution 144p 30 frames or 1080 for 30, loop recording time, recording audio, exposure, wide dynamic range, G sensor for driving is medium, date stamp. I recommend high bitrate or maximum for better quality of the video. I will show you later in video difference. Time-lapse recording. You can't not set time-lapse recording and motion detection while parking mode is off. Time zone, time synchronization to the phone, date format, boot delay, and the parking mode out. I will test it later. Enter parking mode timer after you turn off cars. The parking mode starts 90 seconds delayed. Parking G sensor high sensitivity, parking motion detection high, image rotation, image mirror. If necessary, notification sound, voice notification, GPS, key speed unit, GPS stamp, camera model, frequency, format SD card, and formatting.
Memory card format successful.
Changing Wi-Fi name and password, custom text stamp or license card numbers. And here is free space on the card, app version, and firmware for the camera. On this live view you can logged files, parking files, all files to access to this app. And that is all for this app. And welcome back. Here we installed VIOFO camera hardwire kit over there to the fuse box under this hold, and when I put key on the start position, camera
Recording started.
start recording. You can see this turned on. And record. Everything is covered from the driver perspective. Camera didn't see